So this is the easiest way to make a lot of money off of Temu. This is currently working. It's really amazing. So you want to make sure that you watch this entire video so you don't miss out on any single steps. The very first thing that we need to do is open up our Temu account. Once you're in Temu, you want to go ahead and click on You. That's going to be at the very bottom. Now from here, you want to scroll down and then click on Settings. And then if you don't have an account already, you want to click on Sign Up at the very top. Once you have signed up for an account, you want to change your country and region to the United States at the very bottom. And once you have changed it to the United States, you want to go back. And then if we scroll up a little bit, you can get this option that says Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Go ahead and click on that. Now you can see there's going to be a bunch of different options for you to choose from on how you can make money. They have free gifts, you can also earn cash reward, and the best option for this video is actually cash reward, where you get PayPal money. So click on Get Again. So now you can be brought up to this page where you just want to do exactly what I'm doing on the screen, alright? You click on a random pick me, and then they're going to give you the highest number all the time. It's going to be $79. Then you want to bring the $79 up to $100. And now, once you hit it to $100, you get $80 coupon for the Temu, and then you get $20 cash into your PayPal account. Now click on Continue Collecting. And then you want to spin this wheel right over here. And this may seem kind of weird, but just watch this entire video and trust me. So now we want to bring this $3 up to $6. We want to get it as close as we can to $100. Sure, now to get $6. Boom, just like that, our reward has doubled. And now as you can see, that number is going up closer to $100. Click on Continue Spinning. They're going to give you free tokens. Click on Share Now. Let's share it to some random Instagram people. And then now we get an extra bonus 100 tokens. Click on Spin to get rewarded. Go ahead and spin that wheel. So essentially you want to just do this process and spin the wheel as many times as you can and milk all the free tokens that the app is giving to you completely for free. And then see, now the number is getting really close to 100. So once you have milked up all of their tokens, you should be at 97. I didn't milk all of them because I didn't feel like it. But essentially you can see down here, there's people making 30,000 via PayPal, 29,000, 28,000. So the way to do this is simply click on Invite to get tokens. So now from here, you want to choose to either copy a link, or if people click on that link, then you get a referral, or you click on copy code. And if people enter in your code in the search bar, then either way, both of these work, but I prefer the copy code. You want to just essentially share this with every single one of your friends, your family members. You could post this on social media as well. What I would do is I would go ahead and go onto Instagram or TikTok, and then I'd make an account something like this, where basically you make reels or TikToks that get a bunch of views. You can see this 5-second meme video got 226,000 views. This one got 198,000 views. And then basically at the bottom, it just says whatever you're trying to do. This one is promoting some other offer, but you want to simply type in like claim money using my code, whatever, and then enter in your code number. And then these can get a lot of views, which can generate a lot of leads. Now, essentially, once 5 people have used your link or your code, then you're going to get this number up to 100. And then you can redeem this $20 PayPal, this $20 cash into your PayPal account. There's people making literally 5 figures. So go ahead and give this a try and let me know how much money you make.